All right, I'm looking at problem number 9, and we've got some segments here. Now, it wants to know it gives you the perimeter of one. It wants to know the perimeter of the other one. Well, the perimeters of similar shapes, and they're similar because it tells me that right here. The perimeter of similar shapes has the same ratio as the lengths of the sides ratio. Okay, so these two numbers are giving you that ratio. So FG goes with this one, PQR. So FG, PQR. So I've got 6 goes with the 10. I'm going to go ahead and simplify that. 2 goes into that 3 times, 2 goes into that 5 times. So there's my ratio of the sides. The perimeters would be the same ratio. Notice it gives me PQR. That's the second one I listed off, so that would go in the denominator. And so up here, this X that I don't know, this X represents the perimeter of FGH, right? So that's what I'm trying to find right there. All right, so now I can cross multiply 3 times 35, 5 times X. By the way, a little side note, in case you ever see something like this, I know that 5 times 7 equals 35. That means I can go up here and go 3 times 7 equals this. So X is going to equal 3 times 7, which is 21. If you see that, you can do that. Okay. If you don't see that, that's okay. You can still cross multiply. So let me cross multiply here. 3 times 35 would be 90. Let's see, 105, I think. 3 times 35 is 105. 5 times X. I'm going to double check that. 105 and then divide by 5. X equals 21. That should be right. Let me just double check that real quick. Turn my calculator on. And we had 3 times 35, just make sure that really is 105. 35 times 3, 105, then divided by 5, 21. There we go. All right, so the answer is 21 is the perimeter of FGH, and that's the answer to problem number 9.